Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your RIA money transfer history in 2025. So in order to do it, you can just either open the RIA money mobile application, or you can also follow the same steps on riamoneytransfer.com, which is their official website. Now whichever method you choose, you just have to simply log into your account, and then you need to tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and here you will see the activity tab. So you need to tap on activity tab, and here you will see the list of all of your past transfers, including the dates, amounts and status. To view more, you need to just simply tap on the specific transaction, and then you will see all of the details relating to that transaction. Now you can also request the transfer history by filling out the form at help.riamoneytransfer.com. So here, once you are on this page, you just have to simply search for that form, and you can fill that form out, and you can just request for the transfer history. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.